Hello, my name is Mayra Gonzalez. I'm from the presentation on interculturality, very interesting and enriching. They explained that interculturality is a process that allows people from different cultures to put its voice by sets on respect and appreciation of difference. They also highlight the importance of develop skills such as active listening, cultural self-awareness, flexibility, open-mindedness, and motivation to interact with others. The topic changed my perspective on teaching because I realized that teaching a language isn't just about teaching vocabulary or grammar, but also about developing students capable of living and communicating in a diverse world. Thank you. Bye.